Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Green, black, violet, blue, red, pink, brown, orange, yellow, purple, sky blue, and light green. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, A to Z. Let's trace A. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, now we are tracing letter E. This is letter F. F. Now kids, we are tracing letter G. Kids, now we are tracing letter H. This is letter I. Now we are tracing letter J. This is letter K. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, we are tracing letter M. Now we are tracing letter N. O. This is letter P. Now we are tracing letter Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Let's read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.